Here I think, be careful, take on the left, better. On the hill. Caram! You should put the normal four-wheel drive, you know, the lock differential. Take in the left.
What is the difference between this?
That one is locking, both of them are locking, but it's low, that one, you know, it's not pushing fast, so... But no, take in the left and then it's better. Or in the right here and take, see? Because there it's like this, the guy said it's kind of...
Can we come here or?
Yes, aici și după ce luăm asta.
Aici.